Good evening, everyone, and thank you so much for joining us for our next DCSD Tech Cafe, which we will be discussing how you can connect with the Canvas Parent app. My name is Brandy Pryor, and I'm excited to present this presentation for you tonight. To get started, let's review some session etiquette. To maximize this webinar, it is best to log in using a laptop or a computer. Please make sure your microphone is muted and remains on mute for this entire webinar. If you have questions, please type them into the Q&A section that is being monitored by our Parent Center facilitators and instructional technology. Questions are being recorded as well as this session, so some answers will be provided in the chat or the Q&A. Live captions are also available for your use. Attendees to use those live captions and subtitles, all you will need to do is to turn on live captions and subtitles by selecting that in the corner where it says caption subtitles on your video controls. To change the caption language, select settings, captions, and subtitles, and then choose the language that you prefer. By the end of this session, participants will be able to log into Canvas, navigate to the Canvas Parent app, and then understand the observer's role of a parent in Canvas. Before we get started, let's discuss what is the Canvas Parent. So Canvas is a learning management system designed to support teaching and learning. Students can access course materials, collaborate with their teachers and classmates, as well as submit assignments and feedback. Canvas provides an easy way for parents to know what your student is doing in the platform. You can observe your students' Canvas activity online using any internet browser or through the Canvas Parent app that can be downloaded to an iOS or Android device. In order to connect with your child's account, you must have a pairing code. There are a couple of important facts to note about these codes. Your child's teacher will generate and send home this code. You will only need one code to connect to all of your child's classes. However, if you have multiple children, you will need a different code for each child. For security purposes, a pairing code will expire within 7 days or after the first time it is used. Please request another code if 7 days have passed or if you need another one for a different parent or guardian. A student can have up to 5 pairing codes. If you have previously experienced difficulty connecting with the Canvas Parent app, please take a moment to log out of the app on your phone now and carefully follow the steps that will be presented tonight. We apologize for any confusion you may have experienced and hope that today's presentation will help to connect you to the platform. Also note that if you're still having problems connecting tonight, your code may have expired and you may need to request another one from your child's teacher. All right, so you can connect with your child's account either from a computer or by downloading that Canvas Parent app on your phone. We're going to begin this session with reviewing how to connect through a computer. First, navigate to the website that is listed on the screen and that is going to be placed in the chat. It is very, very important that you are on the correct website that is specifically used for DeKalb County School District. Canvas is a global learning management system with many clients, and one of their other clients has the same name as us, DeKalb County. Therefore, please do not do a Google search for the website. Go back. Please do not do a Google search. You must use the one that is provided. Okay. All right, and that's listed on the screen. Okay. Also, please note that Canvas works best in a Google Chrome browser. So once you are in the account, you're going to select parent of a Canvas user that is indicated on the screen by the number 2. So again, that web browser is https://decalb, DEKALB .instructure, INSTRUCTURE .com/login/CANVAS. Okay. I will give everyone a moment to log in. Once you have navigated to that website, this is where you're going to type in your name, your email address, and create yourself a password. In this box shown by the number 2 on the screen, that is where you're going to enter that pairing code that you receive from your child's teacher. Finally, read and select the box to agree to the terms of service, and then select Start Participating. At this time, we're going to pause and allow you, if you are going to connect to the computer, to go ahead and do that. If you would like to wait to connect to the app, we're going to review that next. Okay, so for those of us that are logging in to the Canvas parent from a computer, this is what your screen will look like once you are logged in. And it does resemble the same layout that your child will see. The landing page, which is also known as the dashboard, is where the courses will display. You can click on the name of the course to view the assignments and grades for that course. The long blue bar on the left is called the Global Navigation Menu, and that's going to remain there wherever you are in the platform. The icons on this bar will allow you to move through different features of the platform. We're going to discuss these different features in more depth as we review them through the phone app, okay? Now we're going to discuss how to create an account from the app on your phone. In order to create an account on your phone, you will download the Canvas Parent app from either the App Store for an iOS device or Google Play for Android devices. Please take a moment to download the app. Once you have the app, you're going to select Find School. Next, begin to type in the CAB and notice that different choices will populate. Now, again, this is where you want to be very careful to select the one for our school district. Carefully select the DeKalb County School District -parent, shown by the blue arrow on the screen in the third window, okay? On the next screen, once you select the DeKalb County School District parent, you will see Create Account, which is shown on the last phone on this screen, okay? Once you select Create Your Account, this screen is going to mirror what we just viewed when we were logging in to the desktop. You will just enter the details to create an account and select Start Participating when done. So type your name, your email address, create a password, and enter that pairing code that you got from your child's teacher. Now, again, I'm going to pause for a moment to allow everyone the opportunity to log in either through the app or through a desktop. Please place any questions or concerns in the chat, and we will do our best to respond to those questions. I will give everyone a minute. If you see all right, if you see this screen, congratulations. You are now logged into your child's account. The landing page will show you the courses that have been published for your child to participate in. Please note, you may not see all the courses at this time if the teacher has not published them, okay? So you would just click on the course name to open up that course. Once in the course, You will see all the assignments, due dates, and current grades. Please note that grades found in Canvas are not the final grades. These grades should be considered in progress, and you must refer to Infinite Campus to view final grades, okay? You can click on Front Page, which is in the top right corner, to learn more about the class and the teacher. Then you will just select the small white arrow located right above grades to exit the course and return to the previous screen. To add additional children, click on your child's name at the top of the screen. Next, click on the blue plus icon to add another student. Please be reminded, you will need a parent code for that student to add them to your app. Next, we're going to discuss alerts. So you'll click on the bell icon that's located in the bottom right corner to open up the alerts page. Parents, you can set reminders or alerts for a specific assignment or an event. The alerts will be sent to your mobile devices and pushed out as a notification. They are also displayed on this page, which is called the alerts page in the app. Okay, to set your alerts, you're going to have to navigate to settings. And in order to do that, you want to click on those 3 horizontal lines that are in the top left corner, shown by the red arrow on the screen. Once you click on those 3 horizontal lines, the settings will open as you see on the second image. Then all you're going to do is select Manage Students and then select the student in which you would like to set some alerts for. Now, once you are here, all you will need to do is type directly in to the grayed out area the number you would like to set a reminder for. So if you would like to set a reminder if the course grade goes above 90% or a certain percentage, then just type right in there where you see it's grayed out the score that you want to get an alert for. What if you would like to get a notification if the course grade drops below a certain percentage, say 71%? In that grayed out area, just type in 71. Now, you're going to click the toggle button to turn on alerts for a missing assignment or a course announcement or a missing announcement or institution announcements. Just click the little grayed out button to turn it on. So when parents are connected to the Canvas Parent app, they are in as what is called an observer. And there are certain tasks that observers can do, and there's certain things that they cannot do. This screen is showing you what you can do as an observer. You can view and read announcements, send conversation messages to the instructor and the student that you're observing. You can send them a message. You can view the calendar, view your own inbox, view assignments, view the dashboard. You can view modules, which are like binders in the course that have the due dates and point values for different assignments. You can view your profile pictures of your teacher, and then you can also read discussions. And you can read the quiz's index page, but you cannot see the full quiz. Here are some items that observers cannot do. You cannot comment on announcements or discussions. You cannot submit assignments or quizzes for your child. You cannot view course rosters, so you will only see your child that you're connected to. You cannot view any courses that are unpublished. So if you have logged in and you don't see any courses, please provide your teacher some time to get those courses published. You cannot view any locked files or folders, join groups, or send conversation messages to students in the course if you are not observing them. All right, so I hope that this has been helpful and you have been able to connect to your child's Canvas account. At this time, we're going to allow for questions, and if you have any questions, please type them in the chat box. All right. So thank you again for joining us for our Tech Cafes. Our upcoming topics include, we're going to have an encore presentation of this Connecting with the Canvas Parent app on September 27th. Okay. Next, for October, we will be discussing Microsoft Office 365 and Canvas. And in November, it's going to be all about how to navigate Launchpad. December, please get ready for a fun night as we review tech literacy tools. And then in January, we're going to help get you prepared for school choice by providing you with some information on how to ensure your device is checked up and ready to go, and then doing a technology showcase. At this time, please provide us some feedback about this session by using the link that's being placed in the chat, and let us know if you have any questions. All right, and for resources to access this recording as well as others, please visit the Parent and Family Engagement YouTube channel that is located on the screen. All right, and again, we thank you so very much for participating in our Parent Tech Cafe. I do notice that there was quite a bit of family members that are in need of their parent code. So remember, once you receive that parent code from your child's teacher, you have 7 days to connect to the app. Please feel free to join us back on September 27th to review this presentation if you need additional assistance. Thank you so much for joining us this evening, and I hope everyone has a wonderful night.